Hello viewers, once again announce ke good morning aro achilaga pam Sunday salambe chanai di ase. On 8 August 2024 din day, the Work Amendment Bill 2024 koigina Lok Sabha re introduce kura thakise. Etu laga opore January 30 2025 din Joint Parliamentary Committee review thakise. Inaga review kura pichire on April 2 2025 etu ek tu hole Lok Sabha re pass kura thakise aro on April 3 2025 din de Rajya Sabha re the Work Amendment Act 2025 to pass kura thakise. Etu laga Amendment Act opore etia whole over the nation debate jai ase, back classes jai ase aro even protest bi jai ase. Huna hisabte etu laga issue de West Bengal de protest PCPR par jaigna etia so far tinjun manu do mot hoigna thaka huniba ase. West Bengal laga alag district de like Malda, Murshidabad, South 24 Parganas aro Hooghly de PCPR bra etu laga opore protest to jaigna huniba ase. Aro huna hisabte Murshidabad de baba aro paja do hole protest de mob khan bra hack to death kuri dia huniba ase. Aro alag separate incident de firing thagise etu laga firing de chokamba ekjon manu hole ta laga injuries case sarkram hua huniba ase. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee bra sincerely ta laga manu khan ke a bill guri ase ki violence riot nohole protest to na thakubo nimide. Tai bra koi ase ki etu bill du hole West Bengal government bra pass kura no hoy hole be central government bra pass kura ase ki bia ase ki phal ase mon sob miligina central government lode fight kurubo koigina Mamata Banerjee bra koise. Aro tai par koise ki tai laga government bra etu laga ek opore support nokri aro etu law du hole tai laga state te implement nokrubo koigina Banerjee bra koise. Aro bi tai par koise ki kunuba political parties khan bra political can nimide religion do misuse kuri dia ase koigina kwa huniba ase. So viewers aji laga video de mon sob pra janabu ki Work Amendment Act 2025 to actually ki ase aro etu laga opore edia country de debates, backlashes or protest to kile chai ase. Aji laga video bra mohan details de jani lobo. Mohan laga country India ri nohegna dusra Muslim majority countries like Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Turkey, Malaysia, Pakistan etc. Tadabi Work Amendment Act nohele work property management system do ase. Etia work properties to ki ase kole do community laga properties such as mosque, school, graveyard, hospitals, commercial complexes nohele individuals khan bra community ke donate kura nohele charity naam de dia structures hobi mathi bari hobi eduan sob to hele under work properties ahibo. Etia etu khan do kinega manage kuri kole do government bra ekta port form hobo. Etu laga port under the kiman members khan ase ta khan bra work properties to manage kore. Port members khan bra work properties opore encroachment ase na nai nohele poor maintenance to ase na nai aro transparency khan do hole port members khan bra manage kori aro etu ke work property management system koi. Etia viewers Work Amendment Act to ki ase kole do alag countries de work properties khan etia moi bra mention kura properties khan do hole government bra manage kuri. To inaka manage kuru nimide government bra pass kura ke Work Amendment Act nohole Work Amendment Bill koi. Akire moi bra mention kura Muslim majority countries de Work Amendment Act nohole work properties management system hole smoothly run kuri. Hole bi mo laga country de Work Amendment Bill opore kile iman debate jai ase, back classes ase aro protest to jai ase. Kiba ekta tu thaka nimide India manu khan bra Work Amendment Act ke munjur noha khan ase aro munjur hoa khan ase. Etia viewers Work Amendment Act ke kunba Indian manu khan bra kile munjur nai etia mohan jani kena jabo. Work Amendment Act to hele India ra notun kotha noy. Etu act to hele 1995 te pass kura laga ase. This time pass kura to hele review kuri kena pass kura laga ase. Hole bi this time laga Work Amendment Act te especially Muslim community khan bra oppose kuri kena ase. Aro huna hisabte whole over the India work properties per cover kura mathi du hole 9,40,000 acres of land ase. Aro itu opore khara kura structure work kura du hole mohan laga rupees te 1 lakh crores aro US dollar de 12 billion worth kura saman ase. Akire koi dia nisna India de Work Amendment Act du hole 1995 te pass kura laga ase. Itu laga act under de poila du hole work properties khan manage kurule khali Muslim manu khan thakise. Holebi this time laga notun work amendment act te out of 22 members 12 jon hole Hindu manu khan hobo lage enaga koi ase. Aro Hindu manu khan appoint kurise. Aro gender equality laga naam de maiki 2 jon bi edu laga board member de ase. Enaga thaka bra Muslim community khan bro koi ase ki work properties manage kurule aro edu laga board under de khali Muslim manu khan thago lage. Dusra Hindu nohole dusra religion manu khan na thago lage kogana ta khan koi ase. Holebi India re this time pass kura work amendment act 2025 laga hisab te work properties kan maintain kurule 22 council members to hole appoint kurula ase. Aro this time laga ek hisab te koi ase ki 22 council members majode 12 to hole Hindu manu khan thakibo lage. Enaga kwa bra Muslim community khan bra oppose kuri ase. Takhan lage hisab te work properties to hole khali Muslim manu khan bra manage kuru lage. Enaga hoa bra ajikali India de work amendment act 2025 laga opore PC debates jaigana ase, backlashes huniba ase, aro even protest jaigana manu laga life loss kurabi mon huniba ase. Nagaland bi chuagali Muslim Council Timurbu khan bra itu laga ek opore oppose kurigina kotha kwa viewers an mon sop pra dikhikena thakibo. So viewers amnan itia koi sabi dusra Muslim majority countries e thaka nisna work property management board te khali Muslim manu khan thakibo lagina nohoile India hole Hindu majority country ase to Hindu manu khan bi thakibo lage. Amnan ba comment section de koi sabi. Ajikali majode mon sop pra news te media de work amendment act koi kana hotai huni ase. To achilaka video de hosabi work amendment act 2025 to ki ase. Aro work properties to ki ase. Aro work properties management system to ki ase. Koi kana viewers an amnan sop ke share kuri di ase. Aro itu laga ek opore itia so far India de debates khan jai ase, backlashes jai ase, protest jai kana manu laga life bi loss khai ase. To viewers Muslim community khan bra claim gurabi hosana misa ase. Amnan sopra ekba phapana gurule aro na jana manu khan bra bi aji laga video bra work amendment act to ki ase, work properties to ki ase, nohole work properties management system to ki ase kogina phal bra janu nimide aji laga video bra viewers khan amnan sop ke share kuri di ase. Aji laga video phal ase gule do ekchun ke share kuri gina aro moi laga channel de bi nutun khan ahi kena ase gule do subscribe kurule etu nishna news kan pai thakun nimide request kurabi viewers khan sop ke chanai di ase. Aji laga video iman de sis kuri di ase.